Today we're unboxing level 2.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and I am a first-time homeschooling mom to a first grade girl, a pre-K boy, and a baby. In this channel, I share what I am learning as I try to figure my way through this school year. So if you'd like to come along on this exciting journey, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before we get started, I want to mention that you can request box art at no extra cost. I didn't even know about this when we ordered level 1, and it was through a Facebook group that I found out that this was something that they offered. So my daughter requested a unicorn. It's just a little extra something to make it special and fun. And this is only if you purchase through their website.
Let's get started.
Are you ready? Okay, let's go. It says, look at this note. It says, yay, you've got box art. I hope your child enjoys their box art and their new curriculum. Parents sometimes ask us if they can share a photo of their child with box art of new curriculum. The answer is yes. We'd love to see it. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Yes.
You show it.
You can show it. Okay. So this is What am I? What am I? Which one is it?
Queen bee.
Queen bee. So these are the two readers it comes with.
It only comes with 2?
Yeah.
Mommy, this is for you.
This one's for me. This is the teacher's manual.
The water. Why did you do that?
Okay, for real. Careful with the scissors. And then this is the student packet. You want to open this one too? So this is new. This looks like games or something. I don't know.
And there's Froggy stickers.
Stickers. We have the activity book. Whoa. So the set includes a teacher's manual, a student activity book, readers for your child, stickers to mark its progress, and we also have phonogram cards and word cards, and these new reading syllable tags, which didn't come in level 1. And if this is your first time purchasing the program, you'll either want to purchase the magnetic letter tiles or the app. But we already have the physical tiles. We purchased these along with level 1, and it's a one-time purchase. All the magnetic tiles that you'll need for levels 1 through 4 are already in the kit. Level 1 actually directs you to store the tiles needed for levels 2, 3, and 4, and we'll just pull them out as needed. Something else that I wanted to mention is regarding the activity book. If you prep ahead of time and organize your materials, this is a program that you can reuse with as many children as you have. Here I'm showing you our level 1 activity book, but I'll link a video on how to put together this binder for level 2. And it's the same idea that you can use with all of their levels. Another thing that you can purchase is a small box to store your word and phonogram cards. We don't have the one that the company sells since when we ordered level 1 they were out of stock. Instead, I have this small little container and the cards fit inside perfectly, so we'll just continue using this one. We also have our card dividers from the last level, and we will use them again as we prep for this new level. If you'd like to see how we use these cards, I'll go ahead and link a video that we did from level 1. It's actually a lesson that we split into part 1 and part 2. We really enjoy the All About Reading program because it's a program in which children learn to read in a very hands-on way, whether it's playing a game or building words using the tiles. So again, you can check out the sample lesson videos so you can see what I'm talking about. I also really like that this program can be done at your child's pace. You can spend as long as you need on a new concept to make sure your child has grasped it, and if your child understands the concept right away, then you can move on. So the length of when you will complete a level will really depend on your child. I want to point out that a lesson doesn't have to be completed in one day. There are some lessons that might take a day if your child is already familiar with that concept, while there might be a lesson that will take 2 or 3 or more days to complete. In the program, it says that working for 20 minutes a day should be enough. So when you are working on a lesson with your child, you can stop after the 20-minute mark, even if you haven't completed the entire lesson. You can simply pick up wherever you left off on the next day. This is our first year of homeschool, and when I was looking for a language arts program for my first grade daughter, my main focus was to find a program that would facilitate to me how to teach her to read. And I'm so glad that I chose this program because the teacher's manual is so easy to follow, and I like that I can teach her to read through playing games and doing activities, so it just makes it so much fun. So for kindergarten, she did attend a school, and we decided to homeschool for this year due to the pandemic. We weren't really fans of distance learning, and at the beginning of the school year, after checking out the placement test, I figured that she would fit best towards the end of level 1, but I wasn't sure if I should just place her at level 2 since she was pretty close. I ended up opting for level 1, and at first I thought it was too easy for her, so I thought that I should have gone with level 2 instead, but we just kept going. We went through the first part of level 1 pretty fast, doing a lesson a day, and then for the second half, we started splitting the lesson in 2. I just followed her lead. So that's what I mean about this being a program that goes at your child's pace. In the end, I'm glad I went with level 1 at the beginning of the school year because I felt like the first half was a solid review of everything she learned in kindergarten, especially because her kindergarten year had a bit of a rocky ending because of the transition to distance learning. So if you're wondering if a level will take a whole school year to finish, the answer is it might or it might not. It will last as long as it needs to. I think that the main thing is to follow your child's lead to have a comfortable pace. So like I mentioned, the first half of level 1 we did pretty fast and then took our time with the second half, and we also added many breaks in between just to practice reading. And now we are very excited to begin level 2. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and let's homeschool together.